drift in real life. What the heck? Important thing to remember is once you see grippier ground, prepare to grip.
Must be the water. Let's add that to the water filter.
Yes, that clears that one up then.
I'm going to take a U-turn here. I'm way better at left-hand turns. Let's try doing right. Okay, not too bad in right corners too. Okay, stop sign coming up. Always got to respect the stop signs. Alright, I'm understeering. Oh no, what do I do? Power oversteer. Great. Salt trucks. Ruining all my fun.
You cursed brat! Look what you've done!